Hi Stuff fans, welcome to our unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 4. This has just gone on sale in South Africa today, the 28th of September 2018, and this is a Series 4 in the larger 44mm body option. It's a space gray one with a black sports band. So let's get right into it and have a look and see what is in the box. Now, this is some different packaging to what we're used to for these devices. As you can see, this sort of unfolds to reveal a long box with the strap beneath it. We'll take a look at the band first, shall we? So this is, as mentioned, the sports band. Take that out. This unrolls as well. And there are the various bits and pieces. As you can see, you get it in two sizes here. You get a small medium strap and a medium large strap. Apple's also said that the previous generation of Apple Watch, well, the first, second, and third gen straps, will also work with the new devices, including the new larger one. So that is, of course, great news if you're already invested in a wide selection of straps. So let's take a look at the watch itself, shall we? Pop that off. Here it is. Let's see the paperwork. We'll hold the best till last. So there is the quick start guide, as you'd expect with this sort of thing. There is a wall charger, and there is the actual charging strap for the device. And here is the main event. Comes in a little sort of velvety black sleeve. We can slide it out the top. And there it is. Let's see if we can pop it on. You can see the new sensors on the back here. Now, of course, one of the things Apple's really talked up are the new health tracking features on this device, but we're not, unfortunately, going to get all of those here, at least not at launch. In the same way that we don't get the eSIMs required for the mobile data capable versions, we will not have the local sign-off for the new things like the ECG heart rate monitoring, but we should get some of the other cool features like the automatic fall detection. Of course, we'll have to actually set this up with an iPhone, and we will bring a more detailed review to you guys on the site in coming days. But in the meantime, there is a quick look at the Apple Watch Series 4.